Okay, this is my other video on how to edit Word documents. This is for the older version of Word. So let's start with, if you want to put a tick somewhere in here, it's on this question, tick the correct box. Okay, I'll give you a free little hint here. The answer is 100 millionth of a second. So what you'll do is click there to put your cursor on, and then you're going up here. Now, normally you're on home and you go into this tab, insert, and you're going to go over here to this thing, symbol. Okay, and there's a little box of some of the things that I've been using recently, but you've probably not got that. So this is what you do. Go to this box here where it says more symbols. Now there's absolutely massive amounts of symbols in here. You'll need to go make sure that that is on symbols, and in this box here you want it to say wingdings. Here's how you get to wingdings. There's a menu there, and there's a whole load of different typefaces that you could use, and right at the bottom, not quite at the bottom, there's wingdings. Okay, wingdings, not wingdings 2 or 3, just wingdings. Okay, so that's what's in wingdings 2. Let's have a go. Wingdings, there we go. Now the one you're looking for is roll that cursor down. It's down here, right there. Click on that, and then it will insert. And there, oh, I've put 2 in, and there is your tick. So let's just get rid of one of those, backspace. Now, if the tick is too small, what you can do is you can highlight it, go back up here to home, and you can treat it as if it was text. So looking at the size of it, okay, there's the size of text. So I go from 11 to 12. Okay, there's 20, that looks about right. Click there, and there you go, there's your tick in its place. Now for this question where we had to put a box in, it's really not very different to the Word 365. Okay, we're going to insert, and it's a shape, and it's a rectangle, which is up here. And like I said before, if you're going to do this, it's good to enlarge this so that you can see exactly which spot it's going to go on. So start there and up to 40. Okay, get the width right, about there. Let go, and again you've got a whole load of different options for fill and text up there. I think that one looks okay, but if you want to make it look like the other ones, click on this menu, and there's a grey one here which looks very similar to all the others, and that looks very good. Okay, the last one that I'm going to do is another one of these ray diagrams, and we're going to need to put a ray from here up to the window. It'll reflect from the window and then come back to the screen. They have to be straight lines. They have to touch the window. The one that comes from the window to the screen, it has to touch the screen and touch the window, and they both have to have arrows on to show their direction. So let's put those in. Okay, so we go up to insert, and it's a shape, and it's this one. It's the arrow with an arrowhead. Pick our start spot very carefully there, and we're going to follow this line. That line is going to give us our guide. There we go, and it's got to touch the window. That looks good. Let go, and we're going to give that a different color maybe, or a different thickness. Okay, I'm going to say a medium red color. That looks quite good. Okay, and again, insert, shape. There's our arrow. Pick a start point carefully, and that looks quite good. Let go, and again change the colour to a medium-sized red. There we go, and I think that looks quite good. Okay, so what you're going to do when you finish doing all your edits is you're going to come up here and click on File, and you're going to save as. Now, my advice to you is when you do save as, is put your name in there, and the date is also a good thing to put in there. Okay, and that's the end of that video.